Bonjour! Moving on to our next section of Lesson 10 notes. So this section is very important for your Lesson 10 quiz, also for all of Unit 3. We're going to be using this concept for the rest of Unit 3. This is the idea of l'article partitif, the partitive article. So I'm going to demonstrate it right here. So you can see we've got columns of foods that are whole, right? A whole chicken, a whole melon, a whole head of lettuce, a whole tart. And then over here we have pieces of those things, right? So a piece of chicken, some chicken, a piece of watermelon, some lettuce, a slice of pie. So, voici un poulet, right? Un poulet, a chicken. But over here, du poulet. Du poulet. Right? And this right here is the partitive article. It means some. So if you were going to say, like, I'm going to have chicken for dinner, you wouldn't say, I'm going to have un poulet for dinner, right? You're not going to eat a whole chicken. You'd say, I'm going to have some chicken, du poulet. Okay? And that's how we use the partitive article in French. Let's keep going. So we've got un melon, a melon, versus du melon, some melon. Most likely you're not going to be eating a whole melon, you're going to be eating some of it, so you would use the partitive article du. And remember, du is a contraction of the words de and le, right? De of le, the, de le together makes du. Next one, une salade, okay? A head of lettuce, right? Une salade means a head of lettuce. But you're probably just not going to eat a head of lettuce, you're probably just going to eat some of it, so it would be de la salade, right? So since salade is feminine, we use de la, not du. De la salade, some lettuce. And then, une tarte, a tart. And then, de la tarte. Once again, tarte is feminine, so we need to use de la and not du. That's mostly it. You just use the partitive article when you want to say some of something, not the whole thing. So let's look at this little chart just to show you. So if the food you are referring to is masculine, you will use du, or if it starts with a vowel, you will use de l'apostrophe. So you can see here, du fromage, some cheese, du pain, some bread, and de l'argent, some money, right? So it's not just things you eat, but anytime you want to say some of something when there is like a whole of it elsewhere, you use the partitive article. Then for feminine, like you saw, de la, so de la salade, de la limonade, but if it starts with a vowel, you'll still get de l'apostrophe, like de l'eau, some water. And that's it for the partitive article short video. Let's take a look at your practice though. This is the important part for this lesson. So, you are a server in a French restaurant named Chez Lucullu. So you're explaining the menu to the people who are dining there, and you're using the following phrases, and you're filling them in with the correct form of the partitive article. So basically, you know you're either going to have to use de le, nope, de le is du, de la, or de l'apostrophe. So all you have to do is look at the word after the blank, figure out if that word is masculine or feminine or starts with a vowel. So for instance, jambon starts with a consonant and it is masculine, so it would use du. There's some ham. Melon is also masculine, so it would be du. And then salade is feminine, so it would be de la. So for hors d'oeuvre, there is some ham, some melon, and tomato salad, and some tomato salad. That's it. That's the whole thing. I'll show you a little bit more over here in the notes. Just so you can see it in context some more. So, voici du pain, here's some bread. Et voilà de la confiture. And here is some jam, right? Philippe mange du fromage. Philippe is eating some cheese. So you can see here, sometimes in English, often in English, we can omit the word some in a sentence like this. I could say, oh, I'm eating cheese, and you would know I'm not eating a whole block of cheese. It would be implied that I'm just eating some of it. But you can't do that in French. You have to have the article. You have to have du. Same thing here, nous achetons de l'eau minérale. We are buying some mineral water. In English, you could just say we're buying mineral water, but you cannot in French. You have to say we're buying some. And then, like in a question, est-ce que tu veux de la salade? Do you want any salad? Do you want some salad? Like I said, in English, we could say, do you want salad? That would be fine. And then the answer, oui, donne-moi de la salade. Yes, give me some salad. That's it. That's the partitive article. I'm going to let you work on this practice. So there will be a key at the bottom so you can check your work. And then in our next video, we're going to talk about how to use the partitive article in a negative sentence. And then you know everything you need to know about the partitive article. Let me know if you have questions, and au revoir.